Hello, how are you? I'm doing good. Yes, happy Shapes Day, children. Yes, we are celebrating Shapes Day here today. Yes, so happy Shapes Day. So we have circles, squares, rectangles. Yes, so you are learning shapes today and also learning drawing pictures in English words. Okay, shall we begin? Yes. So all of you are going to clap for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, you are done. Shall we start? Okay, we shall begin. Okay. So we are going to start with the E sound picture words. In A sound also you learn some pictures drawing and writing the spellings. So in E sound also we are going to learn. Okay. Chalo. So let us put the heading as E sound picture. As we are drawing pictures today, we are going to write picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Words. E sound. Picture. Words. Okay. So let us begin. So children, we are going to draw a pen. So for drawing a pen, put the pencil on the red line. Draw a standing line like this. Then leave little gap and draw one more standing line like this. So you drew two standing lines. Now put a curve like this up and put a curve like this down also. Then what you are going to do is put two curves here and put a pen cap, that is holder. Okay, cap. So this is your pen. So what is this pen spelling? Pen. So P. Which letter gives P sound, children? It is P. So P E N. Pen. P E N. Pen. P N. Pen. So same way you are going to write 3 times. P E N. Pen. P N. Pen. Third time. P E N. Pen. P N. Pen. So now we have completed one picture. Let us move to the next line and draw, that is write 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0. What is 1, 0? Yes, it is 10. 10 spelling T. What is the initial sound of 10? T. So which letter gives you T sound? Yes, it is T. T E N. 10. T E N. 10. T N. 10. En is N. Okay. So 10 also you are going to write 2 more times. T E N 10. T E N 10. T E N 10. Okay. Now next we'll write men. Man. Men. Already explained you men. Man is one person is called man, and if 2 or more persons are there, we call them as men. So let us draw 2 men, then we will call them as men. So draw a circle, standing line, put the legs, put the hands, put 2 ears, put the eyes, 2 eyes, 1 nose, mouth, moustache, then hair. So this is one man. He is a man. Now let us draw one more man. So when we draw two people, we call them as men. Men. Okay, two people are there, two persons are there, we call them as men. When two people are there, or three are there, or four are there, or 10, 15, 20, okay, 100, we call them as men. So men is M E N, men. M E N, men. M N, men. M E N, men. M N, men. So this you are going to write two more times also. Okay, children? So that is men. So pen is over, 10 is over, then men is over. Next, you know the lion? Lion, king of the jungle. Yes, lion. So where does the lion live, children? Yes, it lives in forest. So in forest, where does it live? Yes, it is in den. Lion lives in a den. Okay. So shall we draw the den picture? Yes. Are you all ready? So we are going to write a curve like this. Then one more curve like this. Then here draw a sleeping line here also. Then few slanting lines, children, like this. Slanting lines. So this is the house of lion. So that is den. Den. Initial sound of den is D. So which letter gives you D sound? It is D. So write D. Right, children, when you are writing D, remember, write C, go up, come down. E N, D E N, den. So what is den? Den is lion's house. D E N, den. D N, den. Right? Two more times. The last picture is hen. Hen. So which gives you eggs. Which you eat the chicken biryani, chicken fry you eat. So that is hen. Yes? Okay. So let us draw the hen. So first put a curve like this, children. Okay. Put a, like when you write 2, you put a curve. Write like this. Yes. Then put like this. Okay. Then put the B, that is mouth. Put eye, and on the top put like this. Yes. So it has feathers. Yes. Then let us put the legs. 1, 2, 3. That is foot. This is. Yes. Okay. So this is hen. Hen. H E N, hen. H E N, hen. Hen. So let us repeat all the words. P E N, pen. P N, pen. T E N, ten. T N, ten. M E N, men. M N, men. D E N, den. D N, den. H E N, hen. H N, hen. So this you are going to write all the words neatly in the notebook 3 times with the pictures. Practice the pictures very well, children, and don't worry if you are not getting the pictures properly first day or second day. Don't worry, you try it, you will get it. Okay. So automatically when you keep on drawing and writing, you will get it. Okay, children. So going to learn E vowel story. Already we have learned how to read the words. Now we are going to learn the story. Before learning the story, just let us read the words in a fast manner. Okay. So it is W E B, web. W E B, web. B E D, bed. B E D, bed. P E N, pen. P N, pen. R E D, red. R E D, red. T E N, ten. ten. P-E-T, pet, pet, pet. J-E-T, jet, jet. N-E-T, net, net. H-E-N, hen. Right, so these are the words we have here in the E sound story. So now I am going to tell you few sentences. Okay, that is a story with these picture words. So let us move first to the web. So a web is on the wall. Web is spider web. Okay, boojlu antam kada. Yes, mother will clean with the broom or cobweb cleaner. Yes, so that is a web is on the wall. A web is on the wall. A web is on the wall. Next, let us move to this boy. Okay, so where is the boy sitting? He is sitting on a bed. A boy is sitting on a bed. A boy is sitting on a bed. A boy is sitting on a bed. Now what is he wearing? He is wearing a cap. Which color cap is he wearing, children? Yes, he is wearing a red color cap. The boy is wearing red color cap. The boy is wearing red color cap. The boy is wearing red color cap. Very good. Now, let us see what he is doing. He is drawing a jet. And where is he seeing? He is seeing the jet here in the sky from the window. Okay. So now say, he saw a jet from the window. He saw a jet from the window. Ante window nunchi jet ni chusadu. He saw, with what we see usually we see with the eyes. So he is seeing the jet from the window. Window nunchi kanapadutundi. Okay. So he saw a jet from the window. The boy saw a jet from the window. Yes. Now what is he doing? He is drawing the jet with a pen. Okay. So now next sentence is he is drawing a jet with a pen. He is drawing a jet with a pen. The boy is drawing a jet with a pen. And what is today's date? It is a calendar here. So today's date is 10th. What is the month here? July is there. July. So today's date is 10th July. That is the boy in the boy's house. The date was 10th July. Date is 10th July. 10th July. Okay. Next. See, he has a bandage in his leg. Why? Because he got hurt. Debba taglindanta. Okay. So the boy got hurt. Ekkada taglindi hurt debba? Leg. So the boy got hurt in his leg. 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 Okay, children? Next, let us come to his pet, the dog, pet dog. His pet, where is his pet? That is pet dog is under the bed. The boy's pet dog, that is this boy's pet. His pet is sleeping under the bed. His pet is sleeping under the bed. His pet is sleeping under the bed. Very good. So we have, now let us move to the next page. So here is a hen Here is a net, and where is the net? Who is carrying the net? The hen is catching the net. Okay. So a hen is catching a net. Catching means catching in the hand like this. A hen is catching a net. A hen is catching a net. Okay, now let us read all the sentences once more. The first sentence is, a web is on the wall. That is first sentence. Okay, children. Second sentence is, a boy is sitting on a bed. A boy is sitting on a bed. This is second sentence. Third sentence we learned is, he is wearing a red cap. He is wearing a red color cap. The boy is wearing a red color cap. That is third sentence, children. Third sentence, third one. Next one is, he saw a jet from the window. He saw a jet from the window. That is fourth sentence. Next, fifth sentence is, he is drawing a jet with a pen. The boy is drawing a jet with a pen. The boy is drawing a jet with a pen. That is fifth sentence, number 5. Next, number 6. The boy got hurt in his leg. The boy got hurt in his leg. That is next sentence. Okay. So, next is, the date is 10th July. Today's date is 10th July. Okay. So, next sentence is, his pet is sleeping under the bed. His pet is sleeping under the bed. Last one is, the hen is catching a net. Hen is catching a net. So this sentences you too please read, children, and practice daily. If you read, definitely you will get it. Okay. Okay, children. So read it properly. Put the finger and read. How I showed you when I was reading, I was putting the finger. In the same manner, you are going to put the finger and read. So this is your story in page number 16 and 17, and this is called E-vowel story. E-vowel story. Okay, children. So read this and write the words what I showed you with the pictures till the next English class. So you are going to read as well as write till next English class. Okay, children. Take care.